Namaskar from nutritionist Sushma Jaiswal from Swasti Nutrition, which is the first integrated multi-speciality nutrition center in India for medical nutrition. The nutritions are many, but my specialty is into medical nutrition, and I have 38 plus years of experience in it. So, about Dr. Poorani's Life Mastery course. I'm so thankful to Dr. Poorani. When I was so distressed, because I was going through too much grief. I lost my husband, my life partner, just 5 months ago. So that's why I came to Dr. Poorani for tarot card session, and from there Dr. Poorani suggested me that I should do this course, and this course has helped me a lot to come out of the grief. This course made me understand all aspects of like self and our relationship with different people, our emotions, spirituality, health and wealth mastery, and it has helped me a lot, although I'm not able to grasp the course fully as of now, and I want to do it again once again, and but it really helped me to come out of my grief to a great extent. This course is designed in such a way that I think that all the people can benefit from it. All the very best to Haas Academy for such a wonderful course, and heartily congratulations to Dr. Poorani for her first book launch today. I'm so privileged to be the part of this celebration. And yesterday I was not feeling well at all, but after you gave me power push, I immediately started feeling well, and now today, I'm so much full of enthusiasm, and I even colored my hair today. Did you see? Yeah, and also she gave me a push, because I wanted to write a book on nutrition for everybody, for common people, and that book also I started writing on 11th, and today 67 pages are completed. So this book is about know your body from common man's perspective.